You want to see this card? What's the card? What did Nana send you? What did Nana send you? There you go. Here's your card from Nana. Are you going to say thank you, Nana? Yeah. It's very interesting, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It could be a fan, or it could just be a cute card. Who's that? Who's that on the card? Is it another baby? It is. Yeah. Good smiles. Oh, you got some hiccups. Okay, you want to say thank you, Nana? I hope you had a happy Halloween also. Say hello, Nana. We will see you in just a couple weeks. Alright, bye-bye. Are you saying hi to? Are you saying hi straight to Nana? Yeah. There you are. Like hi, Nana? That's what you're saying. You're saying, we'll see you soon, Nana. We'll see you for Thanksgiving.